The first category of the night is beginner's runway. So, it's okay. The judges are coming up to let them know that beginner's runway is first. And right after is beginner's performance. So y'all, the two beginners better be ready in their pink and their red while we wait for these judges. Who we missing just one? Her.
Prada and London.
Two, that's fine. So, hi y'all. Hi. Okay, here we go. Per. So, first category is beginner's runway for $100 and one trophy. Let your legs do the walking and go do the talking. With legs like that, the flamingo sure can walk. So we're looking for a look that is all pink, inspired by the flamingo. DJ Cherry, can I get a runway beat? Beginner's runway, you are now. Anybody walking? Oh. One European and one All American. So it's giving final battle. Let's go. Me too. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pumping. that is eligible for the other years, I'm not sure we'll be having. We have grand prize, which means European, and we have grand prize outside. Okay? But the prize and the trophy and the cash will be going to here. Where's Timmy? Timmy is here. Okay. Another thing for the walkers. If you end up being the winner, you're gonna find this Timmy right here, the little